week we decided we are going to come to the Bronx Zoo. So today is Wednesday. So yesterday I got a free ticket. Wednesdays are usually free in the Bronx. It's limited. So guys, I have my ticket.
Give you something there, we don't call it.
Oh.
Like one guide.
No, we can look. There is one map here. Look.
Yeah, it was right there.
So
Only sections we didn't see.
Madagascar Aqua Children's Zoo.
No, a ver. Yeah.
Two bites. Canada cool. Relax himself, you know. Relax himself.
Oh yeah.
Oh, man. It's a turkey. What is that? Whoa, they're bamboo.
Bella, come here. Come.
Come here.
If you're ready to pay for your ticket, head left.
African.
Oh, it's
African.
a dog.
It's a real hyena over.
Una aplicación que los vende.
Maybe this fence is electric fence.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
It's electric fence.
Bella, look at the zebra.
Yeah, Bokor is you, yeah. Whenever you stop.
You see it? Right there.
Wait.
What happened?
You know, we have to look for where.
Daddy.
Leave it.
Mama, I don't want to take it. I don't want. How? I just. Mom, I don't want to eat.
Give no. What is that?
No? Yes. They should have ice itself.
Oh, Dad, maybe stays here. One.
Porque ya se pararon. Wait, wait.
No, no.
Go inside the trek, come. It's a free trek. Bella, look here. Look.
On the rock?
Daddy, I saw one more. Hey, Daddy, do you have a whole bunch of two babies?
Yeah. But this one got like shrugs.
That's small, but when it's looking big,
Trying to
yeah.
escape. Look, he look there, but I didn't. He's trying to get rid. You see him? Yeah.
Oh, look at that!
Gabriel, chill out. Why did you apply this reality?
Hey, Daddy, go here!
I like the movie.
Hey, Daddy, come here!
So then they got trench all the way around them.
Hey,
Like skateboard, I
I don't think he escaped. He just wanted to know.
hey, stop!
come to
Okay, get it. It is over to eat. Come here. Oh, I think I do want to watch my book.
can't do that before you drop. And lift up your head.
Hey, go. Come here. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, this is yours.
And
This is mine. Yeah, babe, this is yours. Hungry?
there's tons.
Yeah. Eat slowly. Well, this is fish egg.
So guys, this is my sabaki. Mama, I just have fun seeing those animals.
Yeah.
Yeah, we should go find a baby hippopotamus.
Mm-hmm. Did you take the fish back?
Oh, not yet.
Where's it? Oh.
Mama, I think it has chili powder.
And I fried in coconut oil.
Daddy, there he is. Come here, pick up. Come. Daddy, maybe we should. Bye. Come here. It doesn't want to see me. I just want to enjoy my food.
This one friendly. Unfriendly.
Who?
The bird. Baba.
Mama.
I was hungry. How's the fish?
Mama, fish was great.
I have one more fish in the house. I kept it in the fridge.
I think Cuckoo's hiding under the table.
Wait, let me see. No, wait. Oh, there is rhino. That's right, rhinoceros.
Why we don't have to go that way? We just. Come on, oh my God! Yeah. No. Where was that tiger?
And biggie, man.
Oh my goodness, so big.
Bella, 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 you will fall and come now.
I'm not falling in the water.
Oh, vaya.
I don't think there is any bear.
Baba, come here. Daddy, that way.
This is where they feed them.
Feed them, yeah.
I don't know.
Go see.
Listening to the footage and then saying that should be an avenue for some sort of legal trouble by the family of this guy. Wow.
One of the bird business.
Oh, no, wow. Huh? Exit? Yeah.
We're by cream, look. We're by hot.
Try Bella's ice cream.
Thank you.
Better than Dunkin'. Better than Dunkin'.
They would bet money.
Yeah.
Mama, I do want to go.
Because they're selling ice cream for like $16.